1968, myself and Keith and Bruce came back to the school to do some filming, and it turned out to be a lovely segment in a classic TV special called The World of the Seekers. Coming back here today, I can't believe that in this digital age of online education and marketing that our classrooms, I reckon this is the classroom that I was in back in 1956. And probably in here in one of these real old style classrooms which could do with a little bit of help.
Melbourne High School is Victoria's oldest government secondary school. We've been around for over 100 years. The classrooms we see behind us in the Castle building were built in 1927. The style of education clearly has moved on dramatically across that time. Classrooms are an endeavour to reflect what we now know is the sort of education, the sort of learning that students of this century will need and will require.
One of the big advantages in the educational features of these classrooms is it really complements our use of technology and our move to online learning.
Well, I think the new classrooms are pretty decent. I reckon they're a great improvement to what they previously were, which are pretty outdated.
I think these classrooms just represent a really good step for Melbourne High and the Rodders Club as a whole. They just offer some really great opportunities for students and just a really good learning space overall.
The beautiful castle on the hill here is a magnificent monument, and it was built for teaching in 1927. That's no longer appropriate, and we need to look at changing those classrooms to make them more appropriate so that the message can get across, so the students can get a better experience and learn in more depth.
My motivation for supporting the classroom redevelopment was that I wanted the facilities for current and future students to be as good as the time when I was here.
The classrooms have to really reflect where Melbourne High is going in the future. If we have classrooms that are reflective of the last century or even the century before that, then we're really not fulfilling the potential for you.
On the 6th of December, we are calling on you to make this happen. Generous donors have agreed to match every donation, and every donation will be quadrupled.
But it's all or nothing. If we don't reach the target in the 15 hours, we don't get the funds.
Let's throw out the chalk duster and move into the digital age.